Welcome back to the Techie Savvy tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about how to call a job using command prompt, right? So I have a job which I have designed, right? So in this job I have one transformation. I have start component and success component. So if I open this component, I have a very simple transformation which will load a pipe delimited file to a table, right? Now here, the main thing is I need to call this job through command prompt, right? So what I did, I created a batch file, right? And name I have given call underscore job. Now, how I need to call that? So the syntax is call space, then the path of the kitchen.bat file. So if you want to call the jobs, you have to call kitchen.bat, right? So I have given the exact path where kitchen.bat file is present. Then slash file colon, right? Then you have to give the path of the job which you want to call through batch script or through command prompt, right? So in order to call the job from command prompt, I have created a batch file which is call underscore job dot bat, right? And inside that I have mentioned the command call space the path of the kitchen.bat file, then slash file colon the path of the job, right? So I have this file pipe delimited, right? Where I have two columns employee ID, employee name, right? One pipe delimited Rishabh, two pipe delimited Manav. So if I go to the database and run this command, I have no records, right? So let me run this job through command prompt. So if I give dir, it will list all the files and the folder which are present inside ELT jobs, right? So I will call this file call underscore job dot bat, right? Call, right? Run this. It will just take fraction of seconds and the job will be completed. It's a very simple job. See, the job is completed after 13 seconds, right? So if you can see here, the data is loaded with two records, right? So now we will check it and data is loaded, correct? So this is how we call the job through batch script, right? Syntax is call path of the kitchen dot bat file slash kitchen dot bat space file path of the job slash job name dot kjb, right? So this is how we call the job through command prompt. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it to my channel. Thank you very much.